Hey everyone, it's so great to see you all back here. Welcome back to Beyond Grammar, where English is fun, not frustrating. We're all about making learning enjoyable and easy. So today we're diving into something super entertaining. Funny English-speaking mistakes we all secretly make. And pretend we didn't. Trust me, you're not alone. Get ready to laugh, learn, and say, "Oh no, I say that too." Let's have some fun together. Let's start with this all-time classic. I am agree. Nope, that's like saying I am hungry. But emotions don't work the same way here. The correct way is, I agree. Simple. Remember, agree is a verb, not a feeling. So just drop the am and you'll sound like a native. Another one. My hairs are long. Wait, what? Do you have individual hairs dancing separately? The correct way is, my hair is long. Because hair is uncountable, like water or sugar. So, no hairs unless you're counting one by one. Which, I hope you're not. Ah yes, this one I didn't know. Yup, past tense overload. The correct way is, I didn't know, because did already shows past, no need to make no past again. English doesn't want double drama. Raise your hand if you've ever said this. Open the light. What is it, a jar? The correct way is, turn on the light. We open a door, but we turn on lights. Unless your light is inside a treasure chest, please don't open it. This one's tricky because it sounds right, but it's not native. I am having a headache. Nope, it sounds like you're enjoying it. Like, hey guys, come over. I'm having a headache party. Seriously, the correct way is, I have a headache. It's something you have, not something you're currently doing. Alright, it's time for a quick fire round. Let's see how many bonus mistakes you can spot and correct with me. Ready? Here's the first one. He's married with 2 kids. Nope, that's not it, even though it sounds okay. The correct way is, he's married and has 2 kids. Next up, I'm boring. Watch out for this one. That actually means you are not fun to be around, which is probably not what you want to say. Oops, what you really want to say is, I'm bored. That's the right way to express it. And finally, she do mistakes. That's not quite right, but it's a common error. The correct way is, she makes mistakes. Much better, right? See how just one small word can completely change the meaning of your sentence? English really is kind of a drama queen sometimes, isn't it? But that's what makes learning fun. If you made any of these mistakes, don't worry. You're definitely not alone on this journey. Congratulations! You're officially part of the English Learners Club. We all mess up sometimes, and honestly, that's exactly how we grow and improve together. So, comment below. Which one have you said before, or maybe even heard from a friend? Be honest. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beyond Grammar, your go-to place for fun and helpful English tips. Because here we laugh and learn, making every mistake a step forward.